So hello guys, in this video we will be talking about array of structs. So let's assume we have more students and we want to get more information about them. So I'm going to copy this, still working with our previous code from our previous class, type def. So now we could say this student name could be, we could use gold again. And now we could call this student diamond. So I may just change the age. Now, to create an array of structs, all you need to do is just to go on and say, all right. So since we have the type def, all you do is just students. So that's the type def. Then we create an array of students, okay? You may give it a size or not. Then let's call in all our students. So all the arrays, so students 1, that is all the various structs that we created. So this is 3 and this is student 4. So I'm just going to copy this, paste that, student 2, okay, so this will be student 3 and student 4. Now, since it's an array, we can actually look through to get access to the different information of the various students. So how do we do that? We use a simple for loop. So we initialize I is equal to 0 as long as I is less than, so we say size of, okay, so size of students, that is the array, divided by size of students and one of the arrays, so 0, and we increment I. So what do we want to print out? Let's print out the names of the students first. So format specifier for string is S. Let's put this on a new line. And to access all the students, each student, so we say students I, okay, student I dot, so the first one there will be name. So let's see if we can access the student name. It should be students, yes, to students name. So let's see if we can access that claim. All right, so I renamed the file properly. So let's redo this. So save and let's run. So as you can see, we just accessed the student name. Let me clear and redo it. So I'm going to run it again. And as you can see, we have precious, silver, gold, and diamond. So we've been able to use the loop to look into this to get the various names of the students. All right. So that is how to get information from an array of structs. So let's try to see if we can also get the age. So all we do here is just to say age, and the format specifier is D. So I'll clear this and let's run this. So you can see we've been able to get the age, but let's make this better. So instead of a new line, we can say tab. Okay, so let me clear this. And there you have it. So we have precious tab 80 and silver tab 90. So you have the student's name and you have the student age right in front of it. So that is how to access, that is how to create an array of structs, and this is how to also access the variables or the values inside of it. So guys, I'll see you in the next one.